there, it's Jenny from Southern Savers. I want to take a quick minute and talk about how to actually make a list on Southern Savers, what things mean, and try to decode it for those of you who are just getting started. It's really not that confusing. My goal is actually to make this as easy and simple as possible, but I know when you're first getting started, couponing feels like you're learning an entirely new language. So let's just break it down and show you how really simple this is. First off, head to southernsavers.com. At the top of the site, you're going to see grocery stores, national stores, and drugstores. So let's pick where you're planning to go. We cover over 30 different stores, predominantly grocery-wise in the Southeast, but we still cover the big guys, the Walmart, Target, CVS, Walgreens. Those lists are good no matter where you live. So let's head to the site. Let's pick the grocery store that you want to go to or the national store and start to look at the list of deals. When you look at the list of deals, you will start to see some couponing lingo there like SS and RMN and various other acronyms. If you get overwhelmed and you really have no clue what you're looking at, we've actually hidden a cheat sheet for you right at the top of the page. So look for the little chipmunk and click the open button, and you will see a drop down of all of the common abbreviations that are used in that list. So don't let that foreign lingo hold you back. It's really a quick way to tell you where a coupon is. That's what most of them stand for. So let's go through the list. When you're looking at the deals, the items that are in bold, that's actually the sale. That is the buy one, get one, or just the general sale price on the items. I do not type the entire weekly ad for any store. Let me emphasize that. That wouldn't do you any good. It may sound like it would, but it doesn't, because not everything in a weekly ad is actually on sale. We try to aim to only purchase the items that are 40% off or more this week in the store. So my goal, to only type the items that are 40% off or more. Meaning, if you are looking at the list on Southern Savers and it's on the list, this is a good week to grab it. Now, the list is still long and you don't need all those items. So go through the list slowly, looking for the items that you will use. This is the week to grab them. If they're on sale, most grocery stores, they're not going to be back on sale for about 6 weeks. So I don't want to ignore them if it is something that I will use. Go through, check the check boxes next to the items that you will use, and let's just make a shopping list. Let's not worry about the coupons right now. Just focus on what you will use and what is on sale. Mark the check boxes and then scroll to the bottom of the list. If the list is really long, here's a tip. You'll see a skip to at the top. You can skip all the way to the bottom section and there's your box to create a shopping list. Do that. You've checked all your check boxes. Let's go ahead and create a shopping list. Once you do that, it's just going to pull over the items that you've selected. Now we're going to focus on the coupons. I don't want you to worry about them until you reduce that list down to the items that you actually care about. So do that. Create your shopping list, and then we're going to start to focus on the coupons. You're going to see a few different types of coupons that are listed. You'll see some that have the word printable. Click the link. It's going to get you as close as I can to that coupon. Sometimes it may mean that you have to log in on sites like Kellogg's and Kimberly-Clark to get those Huggies coupons or the other items that you may need. Those manufacturers generally make you have a login. Sometimes it's going to take you straight to the coupon, no work required. That's a printable. The other types that you'll see will have that abbreviation that I mentioned just a second ago, SS and RMN or PG, and a date. That is telling you to look in the Sunday paper from that date and find the coupon inserts. All the coupon inserts have a name: Smart Source, Retail Me Not, and P&G. That's what those abbreviations stand for. So I'm just telling you to find the Sunday that they came out and the name of the insert, and then that will help you locate that coupon a little bit faster. If you cut all your coupons in your inserts, those dates don't really mean anything to you. Just go look in your binders and see if you have them. I don't use a binder. That's a whole nother video. I cut my coupons when they show up on my shopping list, and I keep those inserts by their date in an accordion file folder or a hanging file folder. So that's why those dates are there. They help me, and hopefully they help a lot of you that choose to organize in that much easier, less stressful, and less time manner. So we've made our shopping list, and now you're ready to start gathering your coupons. When you first get started, you don't have a lot of coupons. That's just how it is. You don't have all these past weeks, and you're going to see them on the shopping list. So you're thinking, where do I get this November or December paper? It's just going to take you a little bit of time. Remember this, if it is on the list this week, it is on sale this week. Coupon or no coupon, this is the time to grab it. So as you get started, make your list, gather what coupons you can gather, and head to the store. A few more weeks in, you're going to have a few more coupons to pair in. So do not let the lack of coupons discourage you. Just keep going. It is still a great price. It is still the week to grab it. Now, one big question that I get from folks when you're looking at deals is that you'll see some items, and Kellogg's is a great example. Kellogg's cereal's on sale, and there's 15 coupons underneath it. I am not telling you to use every single one of those coupons on that box of cereal. Instead, I want you to find first, what coupons do you have? And then let's focus on which one's the best option. So you may have 6 or 7 of them. You still don't want 14 boxes of Kellogg's. So let's figure out, of the ones I do have, which ones are the best, and let's gather those to head to the store. The reason that I do list every coupon we know of, though, is because there are a lot of folks who won't have every single option. So I want to make sure that you don't miss an option that is out there. One other thing to know about the coupons that you see. On your screen, you'll see coupons that have a little red box with an M and a little blue box with an S. That is our way of telling you that a coupon is a manufacturer's coupon or a store coupon, and that's incredibly important. Every store in the US that has store coupons allows you to use those store coupons with manufacturer's coupons. So if you've got a store coupon for buy one, get one Del Monte fruit cups, this was recently at Publix, and you've got manufacturer's coupons, you get to use those together. You buy 2 Del Monte fruit cup packages, you use your store coupon that makes them buy one, get one, but I also get to use a manufacturer's coupon on each one. So remember that. We can go kindergarten here. You get a red coupon and a blue coupon together on any sale in any store. So very sweet. You will see those matched in on your list. You'll also notice the third kind of coupon that I haven't mentioned yet, and those are mobile apps. I try to list any mobile app offer that we know of below an item. Mobile app offers I view as more like icing on the cake. They're rebates. I'm not going to get those discounts in the store. Instead, I'm going to get that discount after I've made the purchase. It does get factored into the price, and it does make for some very good deals. But just consider, not only do I get that store coupon and that manufacturer's coupon in the store, but I could still come home and submit that mobile app on the same deal. So to put all that together, if you're looking at a deal that has all of those options, then you are looking at a very good deal, because we're talking about potentially 3 coupons on one product. Yeah, you should buy it. And if it's not something that you want on that very good deal, donate it. But you should definitely buy it. So what I want you to do, if you're just getting started, head over, pick the grocery store that you plan to go at, click the check boxes of items that you want, and then pull those to a shopping list. Let's start to gather the coupons. You can even take this one step easier. When you're first getting started, that really long list can be incredibly overwhelming. Don't let it do that to you. Instead, at the top of the store's page, you will see a couple different tabs, a weekly ad tab, maybe an unadvertised deals tab, and then a $1 or less tab. Click there. It's the best place to start because it's all of the best deals in one place. That $1 or less tab works across all the other lists that you see there, all those other tabs, and pulls them to one page of deals if I have flagged them as being super good or $1 or less. I should probably rename it. You will see a couple things there that are more than $1. But if you do, it's because they were crazy good prices. And a lot of those I've stuck little acorns next to help you remember to stock up. So use that $1 or less list. Brand new folks, pick 10 items. Just make this easy on yourself. Let's pick 10 items, let's find the coupons for those 10 items, and let's head to the store. I don't need to spend 2 hours getting together my very first list just to head to the store and throw my hands up because this was so overwhelming. It does not need to be overwhelming. So let's start really small and set yourself up for a win. If you're still stuck on some lingo or how a coupon works, I would encourage you to head to our YouTube page. So youtube.com/Southern Savers. You can find a number of videos on how to use every mobile app that we recommend, and even tips for how to shop in the specific store that you're headed to. So use those videos. Hopefully they will help you walk through it too, but start small. Once you get your feet wet, it's really gonna start to click, and you'll see it does not have to take a lot of time. Now, one little note, as you get going, you do feel a little overwhelmed in the beginning, so here is what it looks like for me. I have now been couponing and running Southern Savers for over 12 years, couponing even longer. So using these lists to me, it's like second nature. And in terms of getting ready for the grocery store, I can sit down from the start, make my shopping list, cut my coupons, print my coupons, and be out the door in less than 45 minutes, maybe on a huge trip, an hour. Is it worth it? Yeah, that even max hour, we would be saving over $120 to $150. I can pretty much guarantee you don't make that as your hourly salary. So as you get going, you'll get faster, it will become second nature, and you will save a ton of money. So dive in, start small, don't let it overwhelm you, and just see the savings start to rack up.